What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Monday, December 6th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So I hope everyone had a great weekend. What's up, Peasy? Taco. Yeah, Del Taco. That was a major runner today. We'll get to that. We'll get to Del Taco third today. Not much to say about it, honestly, but yeah, that was trending. Top 10 on stock twits. So we'll cover that one. Appreciate you for being here, dude. What's up, Busy Bone? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you guys. All right. So today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Tendy Town. Much needed. Much needed. Yeah, all the major indexes are in the green here. And I believe crypto went in the green as well. So, you know, very volatile market. But this was a really, really good day for the stock market and for crypto today. So I hope you guys made some fat tendies. So yeah, guys, got a great show for you. Got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today we have three pieces of news to go over. One about the Omicron variant, update to that, you know, still a developing story. And then we have some political news. Don't want to get too political, you know, but some interesting stuff going on in the world here. One article about Russia and one article about China. So, yeah, you know, this is not a political show, but that might affect the stock market a lot. So we'll get to that. And today for the analysis, we will be doing CFVI, Rumble. Here comes ambulances. Fire truck, actually. Never fails. My apologies, guys. But yeah, CFVI, Rumble. We've been talking about that one the past 2 days. We'll cover it again. That was number 1 on Stock Twits. Then we're going to do ISIG. Already forget the name of that company. I think it's in the title here. That was squeezing today. That was trending on Stock Twits. Then we're going to do Del Taco. TACO, Taco. That was also trending on Stock Twits. Major runner. And then ACET, which is a biotech stock. Everything in the major in the green here today. So yeah, fat tendies. And we'll cover all of this. Hope you guys made some fat tendies today. And then as always, we'll get to our Yolos. And today I did manage to, I had time to pull up some Yolos, just barely. But I was literally scrambling here like the last couple minutes to finish up with the Yolos here. But I did pick out some pretty good Yolos. Not too many today. A lot of Tesla Yolos. So we'll get to that. We have some pretty good Yolos today. What's up, Marvin? What's up, Monir? What's good, people? Roth is green today, but my swing trading account's still red. Hey, man. At least something's green, right? Better than all of last week. That was pretty good. Good. But yeah, appreciate you, dude, as always, and appreciate you as well, Monir. Thanks for being here, guys. All right. So today's show should not take too long. Well, depending on, you know, how many people come in and chat. Which is always welcome. You know, if you guys want to stay and chat, that's cool with me. We can go as long as we need. But yeah, you know, really shouldn't take too long. The TA is relatively easy today, nothing too complicated. And Yolos aren't too serious. Really, the news might take a little longer than usual, but today should be relatively short show, maybe hour and a half or 2 hours. We'll see. I always say hour and a half, 2 hours, and then it always ends up being like at least half an hour later. So we'll see. But yeah, thank you guys for being here nice and early. Appreciate everyone. And let's get started. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's do it, guys. And actually, I did not put out any videos for the past 2 days, and I still was getting subs. So that's good. You know, YouTube is promoting me again. I am no longer shadow banned. And yeah, so channel growing really nicely here. All right. Yeah, I was doing ACET here. Okay. So let's get started with the stock market today. So the Dow Jones finishes up 1.87%. Huge day for the Dow Jones. The Nasdaq finishes up 0.85%, and the S&P 500 finishes up 1.17%. And the VIX is down 10.86%. Still pretty high. It's still at 2734. You know, anything above 20 is usually considered pretty high, pretty volatile. But hey, that's a good sign. It is going down. All right, let's see what's going on here. So, first of all, I see a lot of memes up today. A lot of memes up. Proggenity up 19.5%. That's been getting wrecked lately, but Prog is up again. ATER, GREE, all meme stocks. Wish, those are up all 10% at least. Alibaba up 10.4%. Very nice. I mean, overall, you know, still not great, but yeah, Alibaba was up $12 today. It was at 110. Damn. So that's a good sign. But yeah, and Alibaba was trending today, top 10 on StockTwits, so it's an honorable mention. But the only reason why I'm not going to talk about Alibaba is literally because I cannot analyze it, because it doesn't go down any further on the chart here, even on 3-year. Like it's at a 3-year low, so all I can talk about is the upside, not really the downside here. So yeah, you know, I would talk about Alibaba, major day today, but hard to analyze when when it's at a 3-year low and you can't go any back further. So honorable mention, Alibaba. So nice bounce there. I'm not convinced yet, but hey, that's the biggest green day in a while for Alibaba. All right, what else we got here? DD is up 10%. I don't know why. Isn't it getting delisted? That makes absolutely no sense. The airlines and the cruises are up today. Travel stocks, airlines, cruises, hotels, all that good stuff. Norwegian's up 9.5%. Airbnb 8.5%. CEI, another meme stock there. That looked like it was going below $1, but nice bounce back there, up 8.82% today. DraftKings, nice bounce here, 8.14%. Damn, that went below 30. That is sick. Yeah, Carnival Cruise, American Airlines are up a lot. Mark, another meme stock there. Looks like EVs are, or at least Chinese EVs are doing well today. Seems like China in general is doing well today. Baidu, Li Auto, those are up over 7%. You know, Win, that's a hotel stock there. Delta Airlines up. Xpeng, another Chinese EV. Twitter's up 5.7%. Interesting. Wonder what happened there. Yeah, JetBlue, another airline stock there. DATS, Skills, Nikola, all of those are meme stocks. Those are up. Marriott, hotel stock. That's up. Bed Bath & Beyond, Beyond Meat, meme stocks. Those are up. It looks like social media is up today. Facebook is up 3.6%. Some big days for Facebook and Twitter there. SoFi, meme stock there, up 3.5%. Looks like financials are up pretty good today. You know, we got Visa, American Express. Damn, there's a lot of sirens so far. My apologies, guys. What else we got here? Workhorse. That's a meme stock. Yeah, Discover. Financial stock there. Southwest Airlines. Disney is up 2.84%. Big day for Disney. Anything else significant here? Not really. Wells Fargo. Apple's up 2.15%. So, yeah, the tech is up a lot. Although the Nasdaq was up the least today, but tech is going up a lot here. So yeah, today looks like it's being led by a lot of memes. financials, travel, and tech, it seems like. So a lot of green here today, a lot of green. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like a lot of value. Today's run was led by a lot of value and some growth, but mostly value, it seems like. And some growth stocks just went nuts, especially the meme stocks. DD pumped, faked everybody with that. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with DD. Nothing really makes sense anymore. But literally, DD's getting delisted, so why is it going up? It makes absolutely no sense. What is money? All right, on to the red side. So, for some reason, vaccine stocks. This makes no sense. You know, everyone is worried about this new variant, the Omicron. And for some reason, the vaccine stocks are going down, and the travel stocks are going up. You know, it's like inverse. Nothing makes sense anymore. But yeah, you know, vaccine stocks are down today. Moderna is down 13.5%, down to 265. I sold at 340. Like, damn. Because the chart looks scary, but I didn't think, you know, Moderna is literally like a meme stock at this point. It trades like one at least. All these vaccine stocks. But yeah, looking to rebuy Moderna pretty soon here. Maybe at, what was it, like 230? Chart is crazy. No, not 230. Like 250. So I literally sold near the top here because there was like all these gaps. This looked really scary. So this has one more gap to fill down at 250, and I'm back in here at 250. But yeah, Moderna's down. Novavax, another vaccine stock, down 11.6%. Vaxart, another vaccine stock, 8.7%. Oxygen, damn. Oxygen is down to 540. Holy crap. Yeah, Oxygen down 6.25% today. Some of these vaccine stocks more legit than others, but yeah, looks like vaccines are getting wrecked today. The hell happened to Wayfair? Down 5.6%. MicroStrategy, 5.5%. Not sure what's going on there. Yeah, Pfizer, 5.14%. Vaccine stocks getting wrecked. And it looks like crypto stocks aren't doing that well either. BKKT, 3.53%. AMD, that's been getting wrecked past couple of days, down 3.44%. GME's down 3%. DWAC, this was popular last week, but it seems like that's pulling back. Peloton, that's a not a vaccine stock, but that would be a pandemic play. But that's been pulling back a lot. Nvidia, 2.14%. XCLA, 1.83%. Riot, 1.75%. Yeah, Fun, 1.32%. Palantir, 1%. MMAT, 1%. Coinbase, 0.91%. And Tesla is down 0.6%. Although Tesla was down a lot more earlier. Tesla was down like 3%. So a lot of apes bought the dip on Tesla. Because there was an article. I posted it on Discord. Well, I linked it to my friend, but you guys can see it. Yeah, Tesla, they have an open SEC investigation against them now. So this did hit, you know, like 950 at one point. But yeah, a lot of Tesla FUD going on right now. This gap has to be filled. Doesn't have to be filled, but this gap probably will get filled at 910 eventually. So maybe I'm in there at 910. Who knows? But yeah, Tesla's an honorable mention today. But yeah, really not too much in the red here. Looks like the red is led by vaccine stocks, crypto, and some tech. Vaccine, crypto, some tech, some memes. But yeah, overall, great day for the stock market. A lot of green here, a lot of price action. And again, I'm not really sure why the vaccines are going down. Makes absolutely no sense. You would figure they'd be mooning right now. But hey, you know, this is the state of the market. What is money? You just do the inverse of what you think is right. CPIX, I am not in, but can you see for short? Sure, dude. 1 second. Yeah, CPIX was an honorable mention. It was trending. It was trending earlier, at least, in the day. At like 3 o'clock when I checked, it wasn't really trending anymore. But that is a major runner today. Honorable mention. So we'll get to that. I don't know. I'm pretty skittish right now. I'm not trusting this green. I'm not trusting in this green. I would have to see green in both of my accounts for me to think we were turning around. I mean, the VIX is still pretty high. Went down 11.4% today, and it's still at 27. So yeah, I'm not convinced either. But hey, the market is nuts right now. Nothing makes sense, and I think everyone agrees that at some point it's going to go pretty bad. But everyone's just making tendies right now. Nobody really cares. So, hey, we're going to ride it till it goes down. So, we're going to print more money until... What's up, Fungus Bubbles? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. TOMDF dumped big also today. Well, let's take a look at some charts right here. So let's look at CPIX first. For Moneer. Wow. So it looks like it's still squeezing. Still squeezing here. So I definitely wouldn't go long here. You know, it very well could keep on squeezing. But... yeah, you know, gap up at 225. RSI is really high right now, 80 RSI. So, and this is just a really low float stock. You know, average float is 800. Average volume is 800,000. So it really doesn't take too much to squeeze the stock. But you know, eventually, doesn't have to come back down, but it probably will come back down to 225 and fill this gap. So I definitely wouldn't go long here. And going short looks like a pretty good play to me. I've been saying that, actually, I said that last time, and it's up to $7 now. But, you know, can't keep going up forever. And eventually it should come back down to 225. Big gap here to fill. So I hope that answers your question, Moneer. You know, go long at your own risk. I definitely wouldn't do that. And going short looks like a pretty... good play to me, not financial advice. Although it could keep squeezing in the short term. But yeah, eventually, in the relative short term, it should come back down to 225. All right, TOMDF. This looks like a giant cup and handle here. Like all the way from a year back. Interesting. So I'm on the 3-year chart here. Yeah, it kind of looks like a giant cup and handle. Top is $1. I mean, not $1, 1 cent. That's not a cent. What is this? 10 cents. Top is 10 cents. Bottom is like 1.7. So it kind of looks like it's forming the handle right now. Looks like it might consolidate and break out pretty soon. Crazy looking chart here. But yeah, major pullback here today. So sorry about that, Marvin. Think you're in here. So pretty nasty stuff. That's how it goes with this OTC stuff. But yeah, this is a crazy looking chart. Like a year-long cup and handle. So, you know, if this is a cup and handle, it should consolidate and break out in the relative short term here. So, yeah, that sucks, dude, but, you know, hopefully it recovers pretty soon here. All right, guys. So, yeah, that is the stock market for today. Please smash the like button, by the way, for everyone who came in late. Would appreciate that very much. And let's get to the news. Good stuff today. Got 3 articles here. Very interesting articles. 1 second. Oh, not the news. My bad. We're getting the crypto now. Getting ahead of myself here. Crypto time. All right. So crypto's up 1.64% today. Very nice. I mean, that isn't the biggest gain in crypto, but, you know, considering what happened last week and over the weekend, hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. So, I think on Friday, or Friday, Saturday, crypto or Bitcoin went as low as 42K. So, pretty nice recovery here. We're over 49K again, but very nasty. A very nasty couple weeks here for crypto. But that's how it goes. I got like 3 weeks left on my covered calls for Bitcoin at the 75K strike. So as long as anything crazy doesn't happen, those should expire worthless. Although I do want it to go up. But yeah, probably gonna collect those fat premiums with no problem there. Let's check out the poop coins first. Meme coins. Rewardica. The hell is it? Rewardica. Okay, that's up 12,000% today. Interesting. Synex coin, 2,300%. And Elon Floki Inu. Is this a new one? I can't even keep track anymore of all these damn Inu coins. But that's up 465%. On this side, we got one NFT. Interesting. That's up 119% today. Sheeb Elon is down 22%. And then Corn Rocket with a P. I can't say the word, but, you know, don't want to get shadow banned by YouTube again. But Corn Rocket. What? Okay. Interesting. Right. Get yourself some Corn Rocket, guys. Not financial advice. Elon Floki Inu, Sheeb Elon. Yeah, this stuff is getting crazy. There's like Mars X Elon Mars X or Mars X Elon Inu. I don't even know. This stuff is getting ridiculous. There's every type of Floki, Elon, Sheeb, whatever, Doge. Like I said, what is money? What is money now? But enough of that. Let's get on to the real stuff here. The weekend was a nightmare of crypto. I saw the Bitcoin dump live. Yeah, I remember on Friday after the show, I checked. I even said in Discord, like, what the hell? Good on crypto. And then on Saturday when I woke up, it was at like 43K. I'm like, what the hell? I believe on Friday it was at like 47. Then I woke up on Saturday and it was like 43, and I'm like, what the hell is going on here? So nice recovery, you know. Still pretty nasty, but can't complain. We're back up to 49K, so let's keep it going. Hopefully, I'm going to FOMO into a P rocket. P rocket to the moon. Ridiculous. All right, let's check it out. So Bitcoin is up 0.56%. Broke 49K again, but still down 15.6% for the week. Nasty. Ether's up 3%. Binance up 4.5%. So a lot of pretty sideways. Cardano got wrecked. Cardano's down to $1.36. Wow. I mean, it looked like it was gonna moon for a while. It was pretty stagnant, and then it just keeps on dipping. So I had Cardano at 2. and it went to 3, and I thought I was an idiot. No, it went down to 1, and then I thought I was a genius. Then it went up to 3, and I thought I was an idiot. Now it's back. It's pulling back to 1 again. So, what a coin! What a coin! Crazy price action. The XRP's down to 80. Holy crap! I didn't even see that. But that's up 0.7%, but down 19.5% for the week. Damn. RIP XRP. Got too many memes here. Here we go. RIP to XRP. Oh, this is yeah. That was the mood this weekend for crypto. All right. Oh, Doge is going back up. Very nice. Doge got wrecked this weekend. It went below 16. Looks like it's pushing back to 18 now, so I will take it, up 3.14%. But still down 19% for the week. Nasty. Avalanche doing really well, 9.5%. She pretty sideways. It's down 17% for the week. Polygon's up 8%. Crypto.com 1.3%. Litecoin 1%. Bitcoin Cash 2.5%. Decentraland's up 420. Nice. But honestly, there's not too much price action going on here today. With the exception of some coins. But a lot of these coins are pretty sideways. Let's sort this out. Loopring is up 16.7%. Bitcoin SV, interesting. Yeah, let's sort this out. Got a good bit of ADA. Keep forgetting it's in my Datalist wallet. I used to use that wallet. I think that's the one that you have to download the whole blockchain if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. I had that years ago and finally cashed it out. But hey, it's a good long-term hold, but yeah, price action's crazy on Cardano. But it's a good coin. I like Cardano a lot. I bought a little more XRP on that dip over the weekend. Good play, dude. Buy the effing dip. But yeah, Buffett and Munger don't believe in crypto, but yeah, buy the effing dip. I saw that thing you posted on Discord about Munger and like he would not accept someone marrying into his family that like crypto. or he would like disown anyone in his family who like crypto. I think it said ridiculous stuff. Very opinionated. I don't know why he hates crypto so much. Because he's wrong, maybe. Because this boomer thinks he knows everything, and ego problem. Because he's like one of the greatest investors ever, but he just can't come around to the fact that crypto's for real. Anyway. Alright, so yeah, this looks like it's being led by smaller cap coins today. BitTorrent, Bitcoin SV, Loopring, Mina, Gala, PancakeSwap, all in double digits here. How many coins in the green? Looks like a lot of coins in the green. Maybe 75% around there. With a decent amount of price action. But today was definitely led by smaller cap coins. Yeah, a lot of smaller cap coins leading the way here today. And a lot of these metaverse coins especially. Gala, Avalanche. Interesting. So yeah, not too much price action. Most coins in the green here, not too much price action, with the exception of a few smaller cap coins. But good stuff. Onto the red side. So nothing on the red side is over 10% down, so that's a good sign. So not too many coins in the red here, and not too much price action. So great day to be a crypto bull. But yeah, we got Cadena and then Immutable X. Sorry, Marvin. Yeah, IMX rocketed and then just took a dump. So I don't know what's going on there. It's down, 40% on the week here. Disgusting. So, but it is slowly coming up though on the market cap here. Number 92 now. Got Terra down 7%, but still up 21% for the week. Everything else has just been pulling back a lot. XDC, I think you're in that one too, Marvin. Voyager, Decred. Anyway. Damn, Zcash is down 30%. Holy crap. Anyway. So, yeah. Most coins in the green here today. Not too much price action on both sides, but, this is very nice. Well, not very nice, but this is nice considering the crypto go we had over the weekend. So, nice recovery here. I will take it. So, yeah, great day to be a crypto bull. And great day to be a stock market bull. So, yep, Tendy Town all over. So, I hope you guys made some fat tendies today. And if not, hope you guys didn't lose that much. All right, so yeah, that is crypto, guys. Let's move on to the news now. 1 second. And today we got 3 articles. So give me 1 second as they load up here. All right. Yep, that's Boomer Talk. Damn, XDC down 2. I love this meme. All right, guys. So yeah, 3 pieces of news today. One is about the Omicron variant update here. Developing story. I think it's in like 8 states now or something. Anyway, we got an article about travel restrictions, and then we got an article about Russia, and then China. So, yeah, pandemic news, and then some political news. And again, don't want to get too political, but it might affect the stock market. Yep, that's me right now, lol. Well, yeah, that kind of sucks, dude. But hey, I think that's kind of everyone. Today was a nice bounce, but yeah, this last week, past 2 weeks, that's everyone right now. But I'm glad, you have a sense of humor about it. I'm glad we all have a sense of humor about it. You got to be able to laugh at yourself. It'll be all right. It'll be all right. All right, so let's get started here. So first article about Omicron. Let's read. Omicron is promoting new rules for international travel to the U.S. Here's what you need to know. So remember last week we had an article, and Biden said that he doesn't want to impose restrictions or lockdowns. Well, looks like we're getting some restrictions here. Not lockdown yet, but restrictions are coming into place here. Key points. New requirements for all inbound U.S. travelers to show negative COVID. Oop, I just said it. Whoops, not supposed to say it. Don't shadow ban me, YouTube. To show negative C19 test results the day before departure take effect Monday. The measure applies to U.S. citizens, permanent residents, as well as visitors and immigrants. Airlines are waiving some change fees for certain destinations that aren't accepting visitors from abroad. Okay. So yeah, I think Dr. Fauci came out and said this over the weekend. So you need to get tested within 24 hours and show a negative result before you are allowed to get on a plane and fly to the U.S. now. So it used to be like 3 days, now it's 1 day. So they're getting pretty strict here. So yeah, this may be the start of more restrictions and a lockdown. So hopefully it doesn't get to that. But the president did say he doesn't want to impose restrictions and lockdown. And here we go, 1 week later. So that's not a good sign. But yeah, still a developing story. And hopefully, we don't have to impose restrictions and a lockdown, but it may very well go there. But for now, market seems to be holding up. Nope, don't do it. Ty, don't say it. Yeah, it slipped. It slipped. My bad. Sorry, YouTube. Don't shadow ban me again. But yeah, there's another update. We've been talking about this every single day. So, more Omicron news. Alright, on to some political stuff here. So, first one about Russia. Biden set to warn Putin in video call. Expect substantial economic punishment if Russia attacks Ukraine. Key points. President Biden will warn Russian leader Vladimir Putin that the U.S. is prepared to impose severe economic countermeasures if Moscow carries out an attack on Ukraine. Ukraine has warned Washington and European allies that Russian troops have amassed along its eastern border. We've seen this Russian playbook before in 2014 when Russia last invaded Ukraine, a senior administration official told reporters. Okay, so yeah, over the weekend, Biden and Putin met. I think it was like a summit or something like that, but yeah, they're trying to de-escalate the situation, I guess. Putin really, really wants to take Ukraine back and make them a part of Russia again. So, yeah, everyone's pretty worried about that. And honestly, I don't know if Putin takes any of this seriously, especially after what happened in Afghanistan. We just pulled out and it looked extremely weak. Don't want to get too political, but this could affect the stock market. This, along with everything else happening, the new variant and the Fed imposing, the Fed raising rates and all that good stuff, tapering. So this doesn't directly have to do with the stock market, but this could indirectly, it doesn't help. This could indirectly affect the stock market in a negative way. Or positive, because nothing makes sense anymore. You can go the other way. You can go inverse. But yeah, this is just, world news more than market news. But scary stuff. We're beefing with Russia again. And not only Russia, also beefing with China. Again, what's new? So let's read here. U.S. announces diplomatic boycott of Beijing Winter Olympics over human rights abuses. Key points. The U.S. announced a diplomatic boycott of the 2022 Winter Olympics in Beijing, a move that has garnered bipartisanship support from critics of China's human rights record. U.S. athletes will still participate in the Games, but the Biden administration will not send any official representation to Beijing. That's kind of stupid. What? Okay. President Joe Biden made the decision given China's ongoing genocide and crimes against humanity in Xinjiang and other human rights abuses. White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said. Circle back, Jen. So, yeah, I think this really has to do with, well, the thing that really sparked this is, forgot her name, but one Chinese tennis player came out and was accusing the CCP of, uh, can't say it, but it rhymes with grape, and became a big story all over the world. And, yeah, so this is how we're going to respond by. I thought I thought at first we're gonna just pull out of the Olympics altogether. No one really cares about the Winter Olympics anyway. But I thought we just weren't gonna play. We weren't gonna send any athletes. But apparently, we are gonna send athletes. They're just not gonna. They're not gonna wear the American flag, which is pretty stupid to me. You know, like you're just gonna. It's like Russia when they got caught with doping and they just had to compete as the Russian Olympic Committee. Remember that? So, kind of the same thing, I guess. Here we're gonna be the American Olympic Committee, not United States of America. I don't know. This is stupid. And what do the athletes think about this? I'd be like, what the hell? Anyway, so yeah, more world news. Not really market news, but definitely doesn't help our relationship with the rest of the world here, and this could indirectly affect the stock market. So yeah, just beefing with everyone, beefing with Russia, beefing with the CCP. Nothing new, I guess. Putin doesn't care. Putin just wants to get to shooting lol. Yeah, he doesn't care. I don't think he takes us seriously. Like I said, after Afghanistan, no one really does. This ain't going to help with the China FUD. RIP to Baba. Where is... Yep. RIP Baba. But, up 10% today, though. So, not sure why it is up so much today, but... Yeah, definitely doesn't help our relationship and doesn't help with the Chinese stocks. Alright, guys. So, yeah, that's all the news for today. Good stuff, good stuff. So, let's get on to our TA, our analysis now. 1 second. Okay. All right, guys. So, once again, today we're going to be doing CFVI, ISIG, TACO, Taco, Del Taco, and ACET. So, I don't think this should take too long because these charts are pretty straightforward. Not too much support and resistance. So, yeah, let's do it, guys. And I'm glad to be talking about new stuff today. I don't like talking about, like the same things over and over. AMC, and yeah, I don't want to talk about AMC anymore. So, although we have been talking about CFVI, but this was number 1 today, and pretty hot right now, so we'll cover it. But yeah, guys, 4 things to talk about today. Really 3. Del Taco isn't really. We're not going to really get into that, but we'll discuss what happened there. But yeah, let's do it, guys. So here is CFVI, CF Acquisition Corp 6, or Rumble. This finishes at $12.70 today. That is up 6.72%. So this has been a very popular stock in the past week. We've been discussing this. This is the 3rd day that we will be discussing this in a row. This stock was squeezing last week, and it appears like the squeeze is still on. So the reason why it was squeezing was because they announced a merger with Rumble, which is a conservative social media platform. And in addition to that, they there was some good PR that they're going to partner with DWAC, which is Trump's SPAC. Social Truth, I think it's called. So a lot of catalysts and PR made the stock squeeze, and the apes are still all over it. So it still looks like it's in the middle of a squeeze here. Let's go ahead and analyze. Let me make sure there wasn't any news. I don't think there was. No, no news. Okay. So we do have a gap up at 980. So that is a bearish indicator. That is telling us the stock should come back down to 980 eventually to fill that gap. And that probably will happen in the relative short term. Okay. I guess I'll draw another one here. Cool. So right now this is trading. So right now this is sitting on the support of 1270, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be $14, $14.35, $14.55, and then the high of $15.50, which it hit today, the all-time high. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $12.30, $11.90, $10.60, $10.35, $10.10, $10, $9.90, $9.80, $9.75, and then the low of $9.65. RSI is currently at, so right now, at this current price, $12.70, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect a significant amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this comes back down to 10.10, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this comes back down to 10.10. The RSI is currently at 98, so that is extremely overbought and extremely overvalued. So be careful, guys. Really can't go too much higher here on the RSI. Very, very overbought and overvalued. And this did 75 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Second biggest volume day ever for this stock. After Thursday, when this initially started squeezing. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. What up, Educated Fool? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. There was news on SEC probe on DWAC that might have affected CFVI. But it should have affected it negatively, right? Because that's not good news. So yeah, that is a factor, possible factor there. The SEC is investigating DWAC for not fraud, but they were like talking about merging even before the thing went public, which is against the rules. But come on, everyone does this. And it's Trump, the guy's pretty shady when it comes to business. So, really no surprise there. But yeah, thanks for mentioning that, dude. Definitely a factor to be considered there. Because DWAC and this stock they don't exactly trade the same. But they do have a partnership now, so they do affect each other somewhat. My apologies. Sirens, guys. And for everyone who came in late, could you please smash the like button for me? Would greatly appreciate that. Thank you guys very much. Alright, let's continue. After this ambulance goes away. Damn, it's pretty loud. Where's Low Roller at? He's usually here every day. That's interesting. All right. Okay, guys. So it appears like we are still in the middle of a squeeze here. I predicted on Friday that this would probably keep running on Monday, which it did today. At this point, the squeeze may not be over, but I do think it's coming to an end. Or it's already over. I don't think there's too much more upside to go here. Personally. Don't hate me, guys. I'm just reading the chart. I know you apes love this stock, but I'm trying to be objective here. A lot of bearish indicators. Gap up. Very high RSI, high volume. No neutral indicators, and really the only bullish thing the stock has going for it is the strong social media sentiment, which will have to fade eventually. And this is pulling back in the aftermarket here at the time of recording, around 5 o'clock Eastern time. So that is a bearish indicator going into tomorrow. If generally when things trade lower in the pre and post markets, that's a good sign as to what's going to happen tomorrow. So it's going down in the aftermarket here. So if this holds up, tomorrow we'll probably pull back as well. So another bearish indicator there. So just my opinion, not financial advice. If you want to go long, personally, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Not saying this won't keep on squeezing. It very well could. But it's just way too dangerous, way too risky for my liking at this point. Going long here would be a high risk, high reward play. It would be a straight up gamble, to be blunt. So it's not really an investment, and I don't like it. But if you guys understand that you are gambling and you have the money to lose, then sure, I could support that. But just understand that it's very, very dangerous. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. How low is this? Seems like a decent play. Not the best, but seems like a pretty decent play. From this price, 1270 down to 980, the gap, which it should fill in the relative short term here. That's over a 20% downside. So pretty good tendies. Not the most in the world. But relatively safe, I would say. Going short here would be a medium risk, medium reward play. Like I said, this can't keep on squeezing forever. So even if this does run to the upside in the short term, it's definitely coming back down pretty soon. So as long as you can sustain some losses here, if this keeps on squeezing, this should come back down to 9.7 to 9.80 to fill the gap, and it's going to go down just as fast as it went up. So, not the greatest play in the world, but pretty decent play. I could support going short here. Please just cover at 9.80. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but chart looks very, very bearish. Don't get too greedy, guys. Secure the gains. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is CFVI, CF Acquisition Corp 6, or Rumble. Okay. Cool. Let me just see how many likes we got, and how many people in here. 4 people, 10 likes. That's a lot of likes. Thank you guys. Really appreciate it. All right, next one, ISIG. Damn, this is getting wrecked in the aftermarket here. Damn, it's finished up 200%. Holy crap. All right. So here is ISIG Insignia Systems. This finishes at $15.05 today. That is up 204.66%. Should I give that? I give that the apes. So this was a major runner today, trending on StockTwits. Huge squeeze here. Huge squeeze here. But there was a reason as to why this went up so much today. We did have some news. So let's check it out. So it says shares are trading higher after the company announced the commencement of a formal process to explore strategic options to maximize shareholder value, including potential merger or acquisition. So basically, the company said, we're going to try to pump the stock as much as we can. And yes, strategic alternatives usually means they're either trying to merge, acquire, or get acquired. So that was great news to the apes. Great PR. They piled in here and squeezed the stock. And this is a very, very low float stock. It does 400,000 volume on average. So, so this stock is pretty easy to squeeze here. So actually not that surprised it went up so much today. What's up, Fu Dao? Hope I said that right. How do I get early alert on stock like ISIG? Are you on StockTwits, dude? There's really no... There's no, like, real way you can get alerted, but one way you can do is you can use Scan Tool. I don't know if you're on Thinkorswim or what, TD Ameritrade, but you know you can use the Scan Tool, and it will tell you, you know, all the major runners for the day here. You see, ISIG is like the biggest runner today. There is IMTH, but there's no volume, so that doesn't really count. So here's one way you could do it. You can use the Scan Tool on, I use here Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, or I'm sure other brokerages have the same thing. I'm not sure if Robinhood does, but yeah, IBKR, Thinkorswim. Yeah, dude, if you're using Thinkorswim, you can just use the Scan Tool here under the Scan tab, Stock Hacker. So that's one way you can. It's not an alert, but you can, you know, monitor this and see this going up very quickly. Or if you're on StockTwits, you know, you can I think it's follow or add, I forget what it's called. You can add it to your watch list, and it'll send you alerts as the stock is going up. So StockTwits will give you alerts, but you're going to have to hit the add button. So there's no, like, real way to to get in before everyone else, but you can monitor this and get in before a lot of other people. So I hope that answers your question, dude. And thanks for being here. Appreciate you, man. Okay. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So we do have a gap up at 570. So that is a bearish indicator. That is telling us this stock should come back down to 570 eventually to fill that gap. I think that's about it. Yep. So right now, this is sitting on the support of 510, which it finished at today. Excuse me, 1510. Well, let me redraw this one a little lower. Okay. So right now this is sitting on the support of 1505, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next level of resistance would be 1571. I think that's the all-time high. Yes. Which it hit today, that would be the all-time high. And if it breaks 1571, then it's onto the upside, onto uncharted territory, and the market will decide for itself what the stock is worth. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1095, 1040. Uh-oh, lagging a little bit here. All right, I think we're good. $10, 975, 950, 920, 890, 860, 845, 825, $8, 780, 760, 735, 705, 680, 665, 645, 620, 590, 570, 550, 520, 505, 490, and then the low of 475. So right now at this current price, 1505, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect a significant amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks $10 to the downside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks $10. RSI is currently at 86, so that is very overbought and very overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 83 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Biggest volume day ever for the stock by far. Like I said earlier, average volume is 400,000. So this squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back pretty significantly. This is down to 1320 at the time of recording. So again, bearish indicator there. That is a good sign that tomorrow will also pull back. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. The chart, the TA here, looks very, very bearish. high RSI, high volume, all-time high, gap up, and this is pulling back in the aftermarket here. A lot of bearish indicators, no neutral indicators, and the only thing bullish this has going for it right now is the social media sentiment. So that's just based on the TA. And aside from that, in my personal experience, when it comes to stocks like this, where the company announces that they're looking for strategic alternatives, it's usually a bunch of BS. Not always, but usually nothing comes out of it, and the stock just goes right back down. So I'm not saying that that's going to happen in this situation, but there's a very good chance it will. So personally, I do think this looks very bearish, and it probably will pull back down to 570 to fill the gap, and maybe even lower. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. The squeeze may not be over, but it certainly appears like it is. So going long is just way too risky for me. I don't like the play. But if you guys want to go long, same thing as the last stock, CFVI. Going long here would be a straight up gamble. Going long would be a high risk, high reward play. I don't like it, but I could support it. As long as you guys understand that you are gambling and you can lose a bit of money here. But yeah, way too risky for my liking. I don't like it, so I personally would not do that. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like an excellent play to me here. How low would that be? 40%? More than that. 60%. From this current price, $15 down to $5.70, where the gap is, that's over a 60% downside. Huge downside potential. A lot of tendencies to be made to the downside. A lot of bearish indicators. So this looks like a pretty straightforward slam dunk short play to me. Yeah, this looks like easy tendies to me. Honestly, not financial advice. So I would say going short here would be a medium risk, high reward play. Still has the potential to squeeze, but really can't go up too much further. And again, there's a lot of downside potential here. So the risk is definitely worth the reward here. Definitely worth the shot. And I can support going short here. As long as you guys can withstand a little bit more upside potential here, this looks like an easy short to me. Now, I will just say there is the possibility this actually does merge or acquires a company. I just think the chances of that is really low. And that's just going off my personal experience with all the companies that have ever announced strategic alternatives. So it may happen, but don't count on it. That's all I'm saying. Okay. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice. But like I said, looks extremely bearish. Don't get too greedy, guys. Secure the gains. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is ISIG Insignia Systems. May I see your scan setting? ISIG not showing on mine. Yeah, I just have it stock hacker, stocks, sort by percent change, descending. And I have the minimum here at $1. So that's the settings I use here. PHUN is popping again. Yeah, pretty good price action here. Up to 320. Is the DWAC also popping? DWAC is also popping. Yeah, this stuff is... They all trade together. CFVI is not popping, though. But DWAC and PHUN is popping. Interesting. Hey, you're welcome. Alright, next one. Taco. Del Taco. Okay, here is TACO. Del Taco Restaurants. This finishes at $12.51 today. That is up 66.14%. So this was also trending on StockTwits today. Major runner. So we shall talk about it. This one is going to be pretty quick. There's really no analysis to be done here because of the reason why this went up so much today. So this went up because WTF Del Taco, yeah. For those of you who don't know, Del Taco is like a ripoff Chipotle. Wannabe Chipotle. But the reason why this went up so much today is because Jack in the Box acquired Del Taco. Let's see here. Well, they didn't acquire Del Taco, but Jack in the Box made an offer to acquire Del Taco. So the offer is for $575 million. And they are offering $12.51 per share, which is literally the price right now. So yeah, the news came out, everyone jumped on it, and the stock is currently sitting at exactly where the offer is standing right now, $12.51. So TA does not really apply here. Because it appears like the offer will go through, and if it does, really it's only going to go up from here. So, yeah, ignore anything that has to do with TA. This will probably trade around $12.50 for a while until this does officially get acquired, and then we can come back and reevaluate this. But at this point, there's really no reason to make any play on this. This probably is not going to move for a while here. It's probably going to sit around $12.50. Like I said, until this gets acquired officially, and then we're going to start to see some price action again. So I guess if you believe in Del Taco long term, then sure, go ahead, buy in. Not financial advice. But you're probably going to be holding it, but it's probably not going to move for a while, and there's really no reason to go short here. Not yet, at least. So, yeah, not financial advice. I would say stay away from this one altogether unless you really do believe in Del Taco long term. Then I guess you can buy in and hold. But yeah, great PR. Probably going to merge with Jack in the Box. And congratulations to everyone who was holding Del Taco. You made some fat tendies today. So congratulations to everyone who made money on the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is TACO, Del Taco Restaurants. Damn, trunk stocks are moving after hour? Yeah, I just saw that. DWAC and PHU, and I have no idea why. What's going on? Does anyone know? But, yeah, this stuff is crazy. Super meme stocks. PZ, I saw a put at 12.50 strike for $10. The IV is pretty low. That's interesting. 12.50. Yeah, puts are currently for 15 and 20. Well, for December 17th at least. Yeah, it's pretty cheap. Low IV, but it's low IV because it's not volatile, you know? It's not going to move for a while here. So, honestly, that's probably an unprofitable play. It's probably going to just, like I said, it's going to sit around 12.50 for a while here. So, I would not go for that. I would not go for that put there. All right, last one, ACET. We're making some pretty good time here, guys. And please smash the like button, guys. Would greatly appreciate that. I'm in CFVI. I'm benefiting from PHU and DWAC right now. Yeah, I don't think CFVI is really moving here, is it? Oh, it is. It is. Wow. It is. Okay. Yeah, congrats to you, man. Hopefully it holds up. But, you know, I don't really trust these, you know, meme conservative social media companies. So, not financial advice, dude. But all I'll say is look to exit pretty soon. You know, hit the sell button pretty soon. Not financial advice. I would not really hold these long term, especially these SPACs. You know, usually after they go through, they go below. Like, once this does merge with Rumble, it probably will go below 960. So, you know, my advice would be look to exit pretty soon. You know, sell while you're up. But hey, happy for you, man. Congrats. All right, last one, ACET. I can't sell till tomorrow. I run on a day trade. That's fine, dude. It's not gonna go, you know, timber tomorrow, but you know, eventually in the relative short term here, I would say, you know, within, if you can't sell tomorrow, that's cool, but yeah, I would say sell pretty soon, within a couple of days here. All right, let's do it, guys. Last one. So here is ACET Adicet Bio. This finishes at $13.57 today. That is up 38.47%. So here's another stock that was trending on StockTwits today. Excuse me. But the reason why this went up so much today was because we had some news. So let's check it out. All right. Shares are trading higher after the company announced interim data from its dose escalation phase 1 study evaluating the safety and tolerability of ADI-001. I believe they're studying non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. So I'm not a medical professional. I really have no idea what all that mumbo jumbo means. All I know is they had positive trial results and the apes loved it. And in addition to that, we do have a price upgrade. Guggenheim upgrades to $33. So yeah, great PR. Apes loved it, and some institutions loved it. Everyone jumped in, piled in here, and stock goes up 38.5% today. Very nice. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a gap up at 1040. So that is a bearish indicator. That is saying the stock should come back down to 1040 eventually to fill that gap. This also looks like a possible cup and handle. Top of the cup being 16 and the bottom being 625. So just some quick math off the top of my head. If this is in fact a cup and handle, that would be a bearish indicator because the cup completed here, or almost completed, and it should pull back halfway between 16 and 625, which would approximately be $11, which is near the gap of 1040. So yeah, cup and handle in the making, possible cup and handle in the making. That is currently a bearish indicator. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1375 and 1345. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1375, 1405, 1445, 1480, 1505, 1545, 1575, 1605, 1635, 1675, 1715, and then the high of 1780. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1345, 1320, 13, 1260, 1230, 12, 1170, 1140, 1095, 1075, 1040, 1005, 975, 935, $9, 870, 840, 815, 780, 760, 740, 720, 7, 680, 665, and then the low of 625. So right now at this current price, 1357, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. The RSI is currently at 78, so that is overbought and overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 48.5 million in volume today. Very significant volume. I think that's the biggest ever. No, not ever, but biggest volume day of the year. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Yeah, average volume is 835,000. So Not that hard to squeeze the stock here. And this is going up in the aftermarket here at the time of recording, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So that would be a bullish indicator. That tells us tomorrow there's a good chance this will continue to run to the upside. Okay, guys. So just my opinion, not financial advice. This stock probably will come back down to at least 1040 to fill the gap in the relative short term here. A lot of bearish indicators. Gap up. High volume. High RSI, high volume. Possible cup and handle. No neutral indicators. And the only thing bullish this has going for it is the social media sentiment. That will have to fade eventually. And I've seen this biotech stuff a lot. They all generally follow the same pattern. They pump on great PR and then dump pretty hard after that. So I'm not saying that will happen here, but there's a good chance it will. Just based on my experience with these biotechs. So this may keep on going in the relative short term here, the next couple of days. This does appear like it has a little bit more upside potential. But pretty soon, I think this is going to come back down to 1040 and lower. To 1040, maybe even lower. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. You already missed your chance going long here. You missed the big pump today. This may keep on running to the upside, but at this point, going long would be a straight-up gamble. It would be high risk, high reward. So I don't like the play. I wouldn't do it personally, but I could support it as long as you guys understand that you are gambling, and you can lose your money here. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. How much would that be? $13.50. That's like $3. That's over 20%. Okay. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty decent play. From its current price, $13.57, down to the gap at $10.40. That is over a 10% downside. 20% downside. Not the most downside potential, but pretty good downside potential there. Pretty good tendies to be made. So, going short here would probably be a medium risk, medium reward play. Not the greatest in the world, but it should pull back down to 1040 eventually. So relatively safe. So I could support going short here. Just please cover at 1040. And again, there is still risk involved. This does have more upside potential. But as long as you're able to withstand a little bit of loss here, if this does keep on running to the upside, this should be a relatively easy 20+% here to the downside. So yeah, I could support going short. Again, please just cover at 1040. So congratulations to everyone who made money on the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but again, looks extremely bearish in the short term here. So don't get too greedy, guys. Secure the gains. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is ACET Adicet Bio. What's up, Low Roller? I was wondering where you were earlier in the show, not so long ago. I was like, where's Low Roller at? Kind of weird. He's usually here a lot. But thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. You made it just in time for the Yolos. We are getting wrecked Dogecoin and crypto this weekend. Yeah, really, really scary stuff. Bitcoin hit 42K. Did you got scared this weekend? I saw Dogecoin reach it hit 13. Really? I didn't see that. I saw it go to 16, and I was pretty scared when it went to 16. You were sleeping? Yeah. I think I was sleeping when it hit 13 because I woke up. I remember Friday night. It was pretty scary. Saturday morning, I woke up and I was like, that was me. Saturday morning. So, I mean, it's recovering here, so that's good. But yeah, I'm down 25% on Doge right now because I was in at 24, so that's pretty sick. 12 cents? Really? Well, good thing I was asleep. Damn. 12 cents? I'd be down 50% right now. But yeah, right now it's at like 17 something, I think. So, recovering here, which is good. And, hoping it doesn't go down any further. But yeah, it's pretty nasty stuff. But yeah, diamond hands.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Alright, guys. So that is all the TA for today. That's the analysis. So yeah, we did pretty good on time there. Covered a lot of stuff. A lot of articles. Good amount of TA. And yeah, on to the fun part. So thank you guys for sticking with me. I know the TA is always pretty boring. But hey, we're through it. And yep, on to the Yolos. So give me 1 second to pull that up. And please smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. Thank you very much. Not just the channel, but the show is, doing pretty well here lately. Is growing. There's a lot more regulars. A lot of people smashing the like button every day. So appreciate you guys a lot. Okay. I remember you said you buying Dogecoin at 16 cents. I think I did say that before I bought at 24. So it did go to 6. I mean, I'm not going to reload. I'm already like way too much in Doge already. And, I'm trying to launch my business here pretty soon within the next month. So I really shouldn't be throwing all this money at meme coins, to be honest. So I'm just going to hold for now. I'm just going to hold. It's not too bad. I'm only down 25%. Yeah, only down, but that's pretty standard in crypto. The plan is I'm going to hold till spring until the Doge Rocket and the Doge Festival happen. And hopefully it moons then. And if not, I'm going to sell then. And if not, I'm going to sell at 24 for break even. GOP Representative Devin Nunes resigns from Congress to become CEO of Trump's media company. Really? What? I know that guy. Devin Nunes, for all of you who don't know, Devin Nunes is like super loyal to Trump, which is how you get a job with Trump, All you gotta do is be nice, say nice things about him, and then you get a job. That's pretty much how it goes. So I'm surprised, but not surprised at the same time. No one really likes him anyway on Capitol Hill, but is that why DWAC is going up? Interesting stuff. I don't know what he knows about being CEO about a social media company, but okay. Did you get a new news article about Bitmart exchange this weekend? I did not. What's up with Bitmart? Did they get hacked? Did they go timber? BitConnect? Bob Dole croaked yesterday. Yeah, pretty sad stuff. R.I.P. to Bob Dole. Good guy. Served their country well. Where is my R.I.P. to Bob Dole. Alright, guys. Lagging a little bit here, that's alright. So today, nothing too serious. We got a lot of Tesla not memes. We got a lot of Tesla Yolos. We got 3 Tesla Yolos. 1 general account. Good here. And SPY. So I don't know why Tesla's so popular today. Well, I do know why. That, I posted in Discord. SEC is investigating Tesla over Solar City, over the solar panels. So not good. But yeah, a lot of Tesla YOLOs here. And yeah, 1 SPY and 1 account go here. So let's do it, guys. Shouldn't take too long. Alright, this first one is by MJ Reeg. They say, anyone know how to time travel? Take me back to last week. Okay. So we see here. Minus 24K. Minus 91% in the past month.
Good.
Yeah, last week he was at 29K. Now he's at 2,300. So, no idea what he did, but I can take a good guess. Either, not even all-in margin. This is just probably FD YOLOs. There's really no other way this could have happened. He went all-in FD YOLOs. That's just what I'm assuming. So, no, I don't know how to time travel, but what you can do is you can delete Fidelity. And, yep, you'll be alright, dude. Just delete Fidelity. Delete it, don't look at it again. All is good. Start a new save file. So, in all seriousness, this is pretty nasty. So, I hope he learns from this, MJ Reeg. And I hope you guys can learn from this. At this point, I show you guys all these YOLOs all the time. Like, don't do this. If you're going to play options, make sure they're not FDs. Make sure they're leaps. And don't all in your whole account. That's pretty dumb. He enabled options. Yeah, and he also found Wall Street bets. That too. So yeah, nasty stuff, but learning lesson for everyone. This is dangerous. Don't do this. And yeah, dude, MJ Reeg, thanks for posting. Great content, great loss, Corn. Sorry for your loss, dude. Very, very disgusting, but in the name of content, I appreciate you. And yeah, hope you can learn from this, dude. Don't do this again. And not too much, 24K. You can just go work at Wendy's for a little bit, and I'll see you back here. Give him the Wendy's. See you behind Wendy's, dude. Read some comments here. I want to see what he actually YOLO'd in. Does he say? Whoever has recovered from losses like this, DM screenshots, need motivation. He's gonna do it again. He's gonna do it again. No, dude. Just do it the right way. Do it the right way. But he doesn't say what he's in. I'm here exactly because of revenge trades. Ended up spending $2,700 in commissions in a week. What the hell? I'm taking a break. Worst part is I started up with 10,000, was up 100% for the year, and now is in the negative. So he admitted it. Revenge trading. So, AKA gambling addiction. So, yeah, didn't know when to stop when he was up. He was up 100%, 20K, and now he's down. Disgusting. I want to know what he did, though. One simple advice. Stop buying out-of-the-money options and start selling out-of-the-money covered calls and cash-secured puts. Yes, you sell the options to the degenerates. You don't be the degenerate. And he said, funny you mentioned these because they were his highest win rates, but I'm a greedy ape and wanted quick profits. Yeah, well, hope you learned your lesson, dude. I just want to know what he bought. Anyway. Good stuff. So thanks for hosting, dude. Great content. Sorry for your loss. And yeah, go work at Wendy's for a while. I'll see you back here. Fu Dao. I only buy shares. I don't know much about calls and puts. Yeah, if you want, dude, you can go on my playlist. I have a playlist, How to Options, and I do have a few videos there about, getting started with calls and puts and some strategies. Covered calls, cash secured puts, the wheel, like I just said here. My advice would be don't do what you see on Wall Street Bets here. This is for pure entertainment. This is not a long-term winning strategy. Sell the calls. Sell the puts. Don't be the idiot who buys them. But yeah, dude, if you want to go check out my playlist, How to Options. I have a few starter videos there. It blows my mind how many people risk 100% on one position. I max 10% on a long-term position. Yeah, because that's common sense investing, And it's not just, like, 100% in shares. It's 100% in options. Like, that's just insane. But, hey, great content, great content. I played skill game yesterday, put $5, turned $15, took my money and run $10 profit. Hey, you're in the green now. Awesome, dude. Congrats. Hey, that's Wall Street Bets for you, lol. Yep, great content. I love it. But don't do this, guys. This is for pure entertainment here. I just post. Yeah, dude, low roller. I got it, dude. Oh, you got two. Oh, no, it's the same one. All right, let me finish with the Yolos, and we can take a look at that. All right, getting on to the Tesla stuff here. So this one is by... What the hell is that? OQID JXJ. A bunch of gibberish. I think it's a Chinese guy. I can't read Chinese, though. I'm ABC. American-born Chinese. They say, lose 99% of my savings to Tesla call. All right.
Good.
Food out. Now, no, I can't handle a loss like that. Well, you're not in the right place, dude. No, I'm kidding, man. Yeah. This is just straight up degeneracy. So don't do this. Don't do this. Again, pure entertainment. I try not to be emotional, but if I lose that much, it's the end. No, dude. Well, I mean, never put yourself in that position. But even if you do, you know, at the end of the day, it's just money. It'll be all right. But yeah, man, just don't do this stuff, and you'll never be in that position. So, and you know, don't invest in meme stocks, or if you do, hit the sell button, and only hold, you know, legitimate value growth stocks. Did you know Dogecoin birthday is today? I did not. Why is it not mooning? That's pretty cool. I had no idea. I'm ABC lol. That's a new one. Yeah, American-born Chinese. Can't read Chinese. I can understand though and speak, but yeah, can't read. Okay. So yeah, we got. I don't know how much of each, but we got calls for December 3rd. That's already over. Those are done. These are all done. These are all done. They all expired December 3rd. 10:25 strike, 10:50 strike, 11:45 strike. So, yep. Looks like an 80K loss here in one day. Life savings, 80K loss. And it's gone. So, yeah, same deal. So I hope this is a learning lesson to this guy and everyone else watching. Don't do this. Do not do this. Don't buy FDs. Don't YOLO your whole account in FDs. And, yeah, this is typically what happens here. But hey, in the name of content, appreciate you, dude. This is great, great stuff. Give him the dumpster. See you at Wendy's, dude. See you behind Wendy's. This is like 3 years at Wendy's here. I love that meme. That's why I only buy shares with trailing stop and stop loss. Yeah, dude. That's common sense investing. That's how you should do it. It's not sexy, but that's how you make money over the long term. Dude, Fudao, consider learning about covered calls and cash secured puts. That's a really good way to make extra money while you hold. Because what you want to do is be on the other side of these guys, on the other side of these idiots. You want to sell them these FDs. You don't want to be the degenerate buying the FDs. These people literally be better off taking the IRA to the blackjack table. At least they'll have fun with the money before it's gone. Unless they put it on one hand, it's literally the same thing. You take 80 grand, you put it on one hand, and yep, that's it. But at least if you go to the casino, they'll comp you for losing. You know, they'll probably give you some hotel rooms, a vacation, something like that, dinners, whatever. Here, you just lose. So, yeah, casino would be better. I mean, this is the casino. So, Dogecoin, 8 years old. It's been that long? So, 2013? Wow. Wow, it's been a while. Happy birthday to Dogecoin. That's cardiac arrest for me if I'm down 80K. Yeah, believe it or not, this is rookie numbers for this forum here. There's been a lot worse. This is rookie numbers. Look at Bitcoin now. It is back positive sign territory. Sure, dude. Let me finish the FDs here. The YOLOs. FDs are meant for 0.1% of your account. Yeah. That's what it's supposed to be, but you know, in this day of trading, what is diversification? What is risk management? What is bet sizing? Screw that. You're not an ape. Where's my, Here we go. Nah, we all in YOLO. All in YOLO your life savings. Lambo or ramen? What's it gonna be? No, I'm totally kidding. Don't do that, guys. Yep, the casino's a better deal. Yeah, it is. Huge news about Craig Wright court hearing. I don't know what that is. I don't know who Craig Wright is, but sure, we'll check all that stuff out when I'm done with this low roller. All right, so yeah. OQ, ID, JXJ. Thanks for posting, dude. Sorry for your loss. Really disgusting, but yeah, I don't feel bad. I don't feel too bad, to be honest. This is totally your fault, let's be honest. But yeah, appreciate it, man. Great content. In the name of content, salute you. Appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you can learn from this. You know, go work at Wendy's for a few years. I'll see you back here. Okay. All right, this one is by Dimitrink. They say it's only Monday. Tesla 900 end of the week. All right, so we got more FDs here. Good stuff. So we got 12 Tesla puts. $900 strike expiring December 10th on Friday. 4 days to go. So this was a 13.5K YOLO. $13,500 YOLO, approximately. And he's down $8,200.
Bruh.
So, I mean, hey, it's not over. 2 hours ago. Interesting. Tesla did go down quite a bit, but I think this is an example of theta decay, theta crush here, because it did go down and he still lost $8,000 today. Amazing. So $900 in 4 days, huh? Well, there is this gap at 910. And, you know, SEC is investigating now, but I do think it's going to come back down to 910, but in 4 days, I don't know, dude. But hey, wouldn't be an FD if it wasn't risky, right? So, yeah, he's down 58% in a day. How sick is that? My cat has more investing common sense than these folks. I mean, you can just buy Dog Elon Mars or Sheeb Inu. Not Sheeb Inu. Sheeb Elon Sheeb, whatever. Floki Elon Shiba Inu. And that'd be a better investment than this. I mean, this is not investing. This is gambling. Straight up. Why CFVI going up after hours? Not sure, Fudao, but someone said, Devin Nunes. Who said it? Yeah, Educated Fool said Devin Nunes, which is a Republican in the House, is going to be the CEO of DWAC. So I guess that's breaking news. Great PR, and, you know, CFVI is trading in sympathy with DWAC. PHUN and DWAC stopped, but not CFVI. Well, CFVI took a little longer to get started, so we'll have to see where it finishes at 8 o'clock. But not exactly sure why it's going up. but I'm assuming it's because of the Devin Nunes breaking news PR, and it's just trading in sympathy with DWAC. Craig Wright is Bitcoin Satoshi. He is creator of Bitcoin SV. All right, got it. I mean, who the hell uses Bitcoin SV? But all right, we'll get to that, dude. Okay. So yeah, another FD here. $900, 4 days to go. So he's down 58%, down $8,200. What do you do at this point? Do you let it ride or do you cut it? Very tough spot. Very tough spot. Well, first of all, the smarter thing to do would not to be in this position in the first place. Don't make stupid plays like this. But here we are. So, personally, you know, I take the more conservative route, and I just cut it here. You know, $5,200 is still a lot of money, and you're probably going to lose that if you just let it ride, but you're already so much in the hole, like, why not, right? So, really couldn't tell you what to do here. Do you cut it here and save $5,200, or do you risk losing everything? Yeah, I think you should cut, but hey, this is Wall Street Bets. They don't know sell button. So, great stuff, great stuff. Yeah, guys, don't do this. Don't do this. Third example, don't do this. So, Dimitrink, thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss so far. But, hey, in the name of content, appreciate it, dude. And, yeah, terrible play, let's be honest. And at this point, tough situation. I just cut it. But no matter what you do, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. Want to see how you handle this. Okay. Next one by XYT. They say, hopefully Tesla will pull through. Very small picture here. Okay, what is this? 2 calls. So this is a bit better. These are still kind of FDs because these expire February 18th, 2022. So like 2.5 months to go. So they're still FDs, but not super FDs. So this is a little bit better. We got 2 calls. At the 12.25 strike. 12.25 strike. So this was a... The hell is this? 28. We'll just call it 29K. This was a 29K YOLO. And right now he's down 11K, down 38%. All right. Not looking great, not looking great. Yeah, here we go. Oh, here's more. Okay, here's another one. So another one for February 18th. So same strike, or same expiration. 11.25 strike. So this is a better strike. So this one was 14.5K YOLO. And down 5.5K here. 38%. So I guess in total he's in for like almost $45,000. Yeah. Damn. Okay. He's in for like $45,000 and he's out almost 20K here. All right, let's check out Tesla again. So his strike is at like the all-time high pretty much. 1125, that's a little better. So another tough situation here. Because he's already in so deep. And this actually, you could justify holding here. Because this does have 2.5 months to go. Not looking great, though. Not looking great. Especially with, how the market is right now. So, yeah, tough situation. So, yeah, don't do this, guys, again. Although this is a bit better. But, if you're going to buy options, buy them at least 6 months out. At that point, they're leaps. And I guess at this point, I'm not so sure about the 12.25. That's a bit out there. 11.25 is definitely a lot safer. So, yeah, tough situation here. This one you can justify holding. This one has to be actively managed week by week, I would say. So, yeah, tough spot. I wouldn't get myself in this position in the first place, but at this point, I would say hold it and come back every week, and you have to actively manage, If it goes up, you can keep holding, but if it goes too far down, you're going to have to cut eventually. So hopefully it goes back up, but if not, you got to cut. But yeah, this has a decent amount of time left, so you can hold this one. They're not super FDs. Remember Tesla stock split next week rumors? Yeah, that's what everyone's betting on, but, it's just speculation. So, XYT, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss so far, but hang in there, dude. Great content, appreciate it. And yeah, not the greatest play. Pretty out of the money strikes, not the greatest expiration, and bad timing. So all around, not the best play, not terrible, but pretty bad. And yeah, at least you have 2.5 months to go. So I would just say hold off, hold for now, and reevaluate every week. And hopefully it works out. Rooting for you, dude. But no matter what happens, please post updates. Good luck to you, man. Nothing to worry about. You have plenty of time to change your name and get a new identity before the margin calls. Good stuff. All right, last one. So this one's about SPY. Tesla rumor stock split 12.9. Yeah, that's all they are, though, rumors. So, and even if it does stock split, it does not mean it's going to go up. Usually it does, but that doesn't mean anything. All right, last one. By Dark Souls. They say, I don't like the stock. See you all on the other side. We got a rainbow bear here. So here we got leaps. So I do like this one. This one's a lot better than the other plays. So we got... Oh, this is a spread, actually. Yeah, so this appears to be a put-debit spread. Put-debit spread. But, yeah, he does want this to finish below 345. So, we have 20 puts. He bought 20 puts for December 2022. 345 strike. And then he sold 10 puts December 2022. 315 strike. So this was a 18K YOLO, or that's what it is worth now, 18K. And yeah, this one really isn't too bad. This one makes a lot more sense. This is not a super FD8 play. This one still pretty risky, but you know, this guy definitely is more experienced. He's not just a super ape. But SPY. Alright, so we're at 460. We'll just call it 460. And, you know, that's quite a ways to the downside there. 345. So, yeah, he's pretty much betting on a market crash in the next year here. Wants it to go down like 25%. That'd be pretty nasty. So he's literally betting on a recession. Literally betting on a recession here. Wow, okay. Yeah, recession is like, you know, 30% or more. So he's literally betting on a recession here. So, pretty ambitious. But, hey, he could be Michael Burry 2.0. I certainly hope not. But it's possible. It's possible. You know, with all this tapering and the new variant and, I don't know, anything is possible. Okay. So, all right, boys, gotta go maintain some missiles. Have a good day. All right, Fungus Bogles, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Have fun at work. Peace, dude. See you next time. All right, low roller, got you, dude. Let me finish up with this, and we'll get to your stuff. So yeah, so I don't exactly like the strikes. That is a bit absurd to me. I don't know if it's coming down that low in a year. But all things considered, this is a, you know, it is risky, but not super, super risky. 18K YOLO. And so it's not like anything crazy. You know, that's like a decent amount of money, but nothing you can't recover from. And if it hits, he's going to be printing. So, Dark Souls, thanks for posting. Great content. Pretty ballsy play here. But, so I don't like the strikes. I do like the expiration. And, you know, we'll see how it goes. I certainly hope you're wrong. But that'd be pretty entertaining if you hit this. So, yeah, great stuff. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you. Please post updates. Team Rainbow Bear. Okay. Alright, guys, so that is the show. So we're just freestyling now. We're chilling. So anything else? You got any graphs you want me to look at? Questions, comments, concerns? I'm going to look at low roller stuff. And yeah, you know, anything you guys want me to look at or comment on, go ahead. Put it in the chat. Alright, article there. Article here. And YouTube. I will do the YouTube last. Here's my free Space Jam NFT. The price keep going up every day. Diamond hand payoff. All right, we'll check it out. We'll check it all out. Just waiting for this to load. SBGX, please. All right, dude. So let me go over these articles here, and we'll get to that. Guys, I just got a job offer. Congratulations, Marvin. Awesome. Everyone congratulate Marvin. So more money to YOLO on FDs. Awesome, dude. I hope you can still make the show though. But that's awesome, dude. Really happy for you, man. Congrats to you, seriously. You got Wendy's job offer. I think it's better than that. That's pretty funny. And EOG. All right, got you, dude. All right, hackers steal 200 mil worth of Shiba Inu, Satama, and other tokens from Bitmart. That sucks. But yeah, nothing new. Nothing new. Bad security. All right, so 200K lost. That's pretty sick. Ouch. So hopefully they can get their money back. But I feel like this time around, the hackers aren't going to be so nice and send their money back. But yeah, very unfortunate. I hope the users themselves aren't affected, and I hope the exchange just takes the loss. But yeah, disgusting stuff. This stuff is serious, These hackers are really good, and damn, that sucks. So I didn't know about this. Interesting. I didn't know about this. So thanks for that, low roller. Yeah, that sucks. All right. Miami jury rules in favor of Craig Wright, who claimed to invent Bitcoin. Really? So his Bitcoin's the real Bitcoin, right? Australian computer scientist Craig Wright prevailed in a Miami civil case that pitted him against the family of his late business partner. His late business partner? Why did he, why is he gone? Sounds very sketch. Okay. And computer forensic expert David Kleinman. At stake was half of both the 1.1 million Bitcoin mined and held by Satoshi, a cash currently worth around 54 billion. Holy crap. Are they talking about Bitcoin or Bitcoin SV? Anyway. So what? So he won $54 billion? Is that what it's saying? It sounds really sketchy. Sounds like he hired someone to end his business partner here. And then he took it all for himself. Wow. Multi-billionaire, huh? 10 figures? Oh, he's claiming he is Satoshi. I don't believe that. But he claims he is Satoshi. Can he prove it? That's pretty big news. Interesting. All right. That's pretty big news. I don't believe this guy is Satoshi, but yeah, he's balling. And this is Space Jam NFT here. Okay. I mean, yeah, they're going up in value. They're still not worth much right now. But this one's 19 bucks, 14 bucks, and $4. So, pretty good stuff. Probably in a couple of years, they're going to be worth a good amount of money. Going to be collector's items. So that's awesome, dude. Congrats to you, low roller. I'm trying to find a stock that could double in a short time. Yeah, Fudao. Higher risk, higher reward. So it's very hard to find a stock like that, without being risky. So yeah, I would recommend look up covered calls, dude. That's a good way to. You're not gonna double in a short time, but you could in a pretty decent amount of time. So the only way you can really double in a short time is catch a meme stock and sell it, or FDs. So yeah, there's no real easy way to do it. If it were that easy, everyone would do it. Yep, MMAT FDs for everyone. You get an FD. You get an FD. You get an FD. Not yet need to get 25K first in trading count. Yeah, that's right. Today trade you need 25K. Makes it a lot easier. Look at all the coin they stole on Bitmart's exchange coin. Yeah, I already forgot what it was. Sheeb and some other stuff, but we're not gonna do that right now, dude. Let me just get to this YouTube thing. He claims he is original Satoshi of Bitcoin. I don't believe it. Where's his proof? I got lucky with PTPI and LGVN 2 weeks ago, hoping to get another one. Yeah. But that's pretty much what it is. You have to get lucky. There's no way to scout this stuff, you know? It's like, unless you have insider trading knowledge, but it's pretty hard, dude. Especially when it hits social media, it's probably already over. So there's no real way to double your money that easily. It usually involves a lot of risk, but yeah, man, hope you do as well. And yeah, again, I would say sell CFVI pretty soon here. All right, so let's not do the YouTube just yet. Let's look at some charts, and then we'll end with the YouTube. I don't know what we're watching on YouTube, but we'll get to that. All right, SBGX and OEG. Okay. Is it SBGX foo? Not coming up here. Is that a typo? Let me do OEG. All right, OEG. So this one looks like a good long-term hold, I would say. A few bullish. So this does look like a symmetrical triangle, possibly. You can see it is consolidating here. See, I can draw one there. I can draw one down here. So you see it is consolidating. So it looks like it has a bit more to consolidate, but it looks like it wants to break out pretty soon here. So that looks pretty bullish. This also looks like it could be a cup and handle right here. So that's also bullish. So it definitely doesn't look like something that can double, overnight, but this does look like a good long-term hold, I would say. OEG, this sounds very familiar. I've definitely looked at this stock before. Double, eventually, yes, but, in a short term, I'm not so sure about that. Maybe, though, because it did jump from, 4 to, 8 here, but I would say, this looks like a good hold, and if it does pop, like it did back here, from like 3 to, not 3, but like 4 to 8, then you could sell it. There's a possibility this could double. But this looks like more of a long-term play, I would say, honestly. But looks good to me, dude. Looks like a pretty good entry. I can support going long here. It has a good catalyst, too. Yeah, but be careful with that, because catalysts usually are sell the news events. So everyone is really hype about the catalyst, and then it usually sells off. So, the breaking news is good. The catalysts that are coming up usually sell off. So just be careful about that. But, it looks pretty good to me. I would say this is a good buy, a good hold. But don't count on this doubling in one day. That's all I'll say. And if it does, sell it for sure. Look at the daily chart. Looks like it wants to go up. Does look pretty good. It looked like a cup and handle, and it broke the cup and handle, so. But you can't give it too much weight, the daily chart, unless you're trading. So. But it looks like a good buy to me. So if you have it, I would just hold it. And if it pops, then, hit the sell button. Look at Bitcoin is making comeback at CoinMarketCap. All right, dude. Shiba Inu was perfect time to buy this weekend. And Dogecoin too, right? Anything, really. Let's look at CoinMarketCap. Oh, what was the other one? SGBC. SGBX. Alright, this one. Looks like a pretty good buy. It looks like it's a cup and handle here. Looks like it's bottoming out. It bottomed out at 2. So 227 is pretty decent entry. Pretty decent entry. RSI is pretty low, 40. So I would say this is a good buy here. It looks like it bottomed out, and it's looking like it's reversing soon here. So this looks like the bottom, and looks like the top of the cup here is 480. So I would sell at 480, and that could be a double right there. So another one I wouldn't expect to go up like overnight or anything, but this is a relative low here, and if you hold, you should be able to. This should come back up to 480, and you can dump it at 480 for 100%. So this one looks pretty good to me, Fu. So I can support going along here. Not financial advice. All right, CoinMarketCap. All right, Bitcoin's at 50K. Let's go. Let's go. But the real question is, what is Doge at? All right, so it's pushing 18 again. Not bad, not bad. All right, I'll take it. Let's go. Cool. All right, so I guess we'll look at this YouTube video, and then if you guys don't have anything else, we'll get out of here. So any more charts, guys? Speak now. Let's see here.
Oh my God.
Let's see. So I just bought 5K more Dogecoin at 13 cents. So he loaded up at the bottom. Goodbye there. Goodbye. Was he just going to rant about how he... So the title says it all right here. So I don't think we need to watch the video, but I bought 5K Dogecoin, 13 cents. So he literally caught the bottom there, and he's up a lot of money already. Wow. So that was a great buy. That was a great buy. He literally caught the bottom, and he's up, a good amount of money already here. Like 30% or something in a day, in a couple of days here. So congrats to this guy. But, yeah. I don't think we're going to watch this one. But, hey, great buy by this guy. Congrats to him. All right, last one, ATNF. I think I talked about this one last week. Yeah, so this one looks pretty good. I don't know if you should buy yet, but it does look like it's catching support here. And there's a gap down here at 475 or 480. So it should come back up to 480 pretty soon here. Or eventually. Not pretty soon, but eventually. So, I mean, 350 is not a bad entry at all. It may even be the bottom, but it may keep going lower. But, yeah, definitely not a bad entry at all. I'd support going long at 350, and if it pulls back, there's 315, 290, 270, 250, and then 225. Yeah, so I'd support going long at 350, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down here, and it should come back up to 480 eventually. But I think I did this one last week. I think you may have even saw it, Foo. So, I got burned in this, forgot my stop loss at 6. Damn. What are you in at, dude? Sorry to hear that. So, I mean, it should come back up to 480 eventually. 6 maybe. This may be a possible cup and handle. Too early to tell it just yet. But did you sell yet? If not, I would just hold it. Maybe even average down. But seriously, dude, sell covered calls. Sell covered calls. 622. Okay. So that's pretty bad, but yeah, I would suggest loading covered calls, dude. Again, you could go on my playlist. There's a video, Cash Secured Puts Covered Calls and the Wheel. Check it out. Because what you can do now is, if you're still holding at least, you can sell covered calls here. There's no $6 strike, but, for the $5 strike, you can make 185 bucks. Excuse me, not 185. You can make 15 bucks per 100 shares. So, it's not the most money in the world, but this is how you average down slowly as you bag hold. So I'm not sure how many shares you got, but you can just look up covered calls, dude. It's a good way you can make some of your money back while you bag hold. Great strategy. So that's what I would recommend in this situation. Either average down or sell covered calls. The guy's crazy about Dogecoin. He owns millions of Dogecoin. He bought it in Robinhood. Sounds like, what's that guy? Upshot? Millions of Dogecoin, huh? Well, yeah, Dogecoin ape. Robinhood too. Dogecoin ape. Typical. So yeah, good on him. Uh, he bought the bottom there. So yeah, congrats to that guy. Super Dogecoin ape. I sold, bro. Put in 24K. All right, that sucks, dude. I hope it wasn't too bad. Well, that's how it goes, you know. Can't win them all. You win some, you lose some. But yeah, guys, that is the show for today. So we went over 2.5 hours here. That's right. I said an hour and a half, 2 hours. But hey, you guys kept me. You guys asked a lot of questions, a lot of chatting. So I'm okay with that. So yeah, great show today. This whole week we've had some really great shows. Not Friday. Friday was kind of bad, but you know, last Monday to Thursday we had some great shows, and this is a great start to the week. And it's all because of you guys. You know, a lot of interaction here. Like I said, not only the channel is growing, but the live show is growing too. A lot of people coming in here and chatting today. So really appreciate you guys. So we covered a lot of stuff, great content, and yeah, really enjoy being in here, chilling with you guys every single day. And you guys make the show possible. So yeah, thank you to everyone who came in. Thank you to all the regulars. Thank you to all the new people, and thank you to everyone who stayed till the very end. What's your new business? I'm going to start an investment firm, dude. RIA, Registered Investment Advisory. So I'm going to be a financial advisor. I'm studying for my license right now. I'm like halfway through the textbook, over halfway through the textbook. So hopefully within the next month here, I can get my license, and I can, you know, start my investment firm. So yeah, I'm going to be a financial advisor. And I don't want to jinx it, but I've been prospecting already, and it looks like I already have over $1 million lined up to go. So I don't want to jinx it, but you know, I have a few customers, a few big customers that are interested, and you know, already looking at potentially $1 million to $1.5 million, 1.5 million to start with. So yep. So I'm blessed, you know, blessed to do what I love, and I'm just an entrepreneur in general. So, you know, this is what I want to do the rest of my life, and day trade. Look at his Dogecoin is crazy. He wouldn't sell Dogecoin until $10. $10. I don't know about that, dude. I mean, maybe eventually, but I would sell at 69 cents. That's my plan. But $10, he's in it for the long term. So, hey, he's going to be rich. He's going to be a billionaire, probably. Lower, look at his Dogecoin. I believe you, dude. We're not going to watch the video. It's a bit long, and the show is running a bit long already. But I appreciate it, man. And yeah, that guy, he has like 50K subs. So, you know, yeah, he's doing it right. He's doing it right. You don't need to say this is for entertainment no more. It still is, because, you know, this started as a ape channel, you know, Wall Street Bets and Smarter Gambling. So, it still is for entertainment, you know, but I'm going to transition more into wealth management stuff, not so much be an ape anymore, although we're still going to do ape stuff here because, you know, that's what's entertaining. But yeah, slowly, you know, I have to be more professional if I want, you know, big shot clients and stuff. So I'm going to slowly transition into like, you know, more wealth management and how not to be an ape. But still, the ape stuff is really entertaining. So interesting, because it started as, you know, ape channel, and it's going into like how not to be an ape now. But yeah, we're still gonna do the Yolos and all that good stuff. So the YouTube is really for, you know, I don't expect to make too much money from YouTube, but it's a good way to get myself out there, add to my credibility, and you know, hopefully I can make some money on the side. But yeah, thank you, man. Congrats, thank you. Really appreciate that, man. All right, guys. So that's all I got for today. So, anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns? Any more? Oops. Any more charts? Suit up like Conor McGregor, I see. I love Conor McGregor. He's the man. Professionalism. I don't know if he's professional, but yeah, you know, I have to be a little bit more serious, you know, when I start my business, because that's what I'm trying to target big shot clients, but you know, gonna be a little bit of both. Later, man. Stay up. Yeah, appreciate you, Fu. You know, first time you were in the show today, or you were joining the show, so thank you. And yeah, you know, hope to see you here in the future. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.